In today's video, I'm going to teach you, does AI music kill music producer jobs? Explained. Short answer first, no. AI isn't killing producer jobs, but it is changing them. The real story is about transformation, who adapts, who stands out, and who gets left behind. So let's break it down clearly and practically. Right now, AI can already generate full instrumentals, write melodies and chord progressions, suggest drum patterns, mix and master, and even craft convincing vocals. That means a chunk of basic production work is getting automated. If your income relies mostly on low effort, generic beat making, that lane is under pressure. AI is fast, cheap, and good enough for clients who don't need anything special. So which roles are most affected? Generic type beat sellers, basic background music creators, entry-level composers, and low-cost stock music producers are at the highest risk because AI can deliver similar results quickly. On the flip side, roles that thrive on taste, direction, collaboration, and emotional intelligence are safer and even growing. High-level creative producers, artist development producers, film and scoring producers, sound designers, and anyone with a strong personal brand. These areas demand judgment, storytelling, and a human connection that tools can't fully replicate. Here's the big shift. The job moves from maker to curator. In the past, you were paid to build everything by hand. Going forward, you'll be paid to direct AI, edit its outputs, add human feel, and make the creative calls that turn raw ideas into records people care about. Think of your role as part creative director, part producer. Expect more competition, not fewer producers. AI lowers the barrier to entry, so more people will make beats, upload tracks, and sell loop kits. That means more noise and more saturation, which makes it harder to stand out. Your brand, your taste, and your relationships will matter more than your software chops alone. Here's the truth most people skip. AI won't replace producers, but producers who use AI will replace those who don't. Treat it like a power tool. It can speed up your workflow, spark more ideas, increase your output, and help you stay consistent. To stay safe in 2025 and beyond, build a recognizable sound, develop strong relationships with artists, level up your storytelling, learn marketing, and use AI as an assistant, not a replacement. Master the tools, but lead with your ear, your vision, and your ability to move people. That's where the future-proof value lives.